Hi, hello there, lovely ones. So this question is taken from twinkle.co.za, and it's a really, really good one. So if you haven't tried it already, then please pause and try it yourself. Anyway, let's go through it. We've got two people who are working together to provide dinner for their families, and they've given us the preparation time over here. The fried chicken needs to be crumbed 30 minutes before it's cooked and then fried for 6 minutes. Potato croquettes will take 20 minutes to prepare and cooked for 11. Then the cauliflower is roasted for 26 and the salad takes 12 minutes to prepare. They're going to start cooking at 5:30 and we've got to figure out when the dinner will be ready. But once we've figured out when the dinner will be ready, we've also got to figure out when they've got to start each thing. So the strategy that I used with this was to go and look at each component and how long it would take to make in total. So the fried chicken would take 36 minutes in total. Then we've got the potato things and they take 31 minutes. And we've got the cauliflower, which is 26 minutes, and then it's 12 minutes for the salad, which means the thing that takes longest to prepare is the 36 minutes for the fried chicken. So if we're looking at that, they're starting at 5:30 and we're going to add 36 minutes to that. So dinner will be ready at 6:06 p.m. And now we need to figure out when each one of these processes need to start. So I'm going to start with the frying of the chicken. I know that takes 6 minutes because I'm told it takes 6 minutes. And that means we've got to start frying it at 6 p.m. so that it's ready by 6:06. I also know that it takes 30 minutes to crumb, so I'm going to take 30 minutes away from there and it becomes 5:30. So that's my chicken. Now let's look at the potatoes. When I cook them, it's going to take me 11 minutes. So I need to start them 11 minutes before 6:06. So I'm taking that and I'm subtracting 11 minutes from there. And that means I'm going to start at 5, or they're going to start at 5:55 p.m. And if that starts at 5:55 p.m., the preparing of it needs to start 20 minutes before, so that will be at 5:35 p.m. The roasted cauliflower, let's change to green for that. It's going to take 26 minutes, so we're going to do the same subtraction problem and we'll get 5:40 p.m. when we subtract 26 from 6:06 p.m. And lastly, to prepare the salad, let's see how yellow works in this case. We're going to subtract 12 from 6:06 and that will give us 5:54 p.m. The next part they wanted us to do is to order them, what needs to start first and what needs to start last. And we do that just by looking at the times. So the earliest thing that needs to start is 5:30, then we've got 5:35, then we've got 5:40, and we've got 5:54, and there we go, and there we go. So a very nice question, actually, and I hope you took the time to do it yourselves before watching this. Much love.